Waste piping is usually one of the first building systems to be installed in the home after site layout is finalized. This is because waste piping works using gravity to move waste from the home to the city's main lines or septic tank if the home is located in an area without municipal sewer system. For slab-on-grade homes, the location of waste piping is marked on the site ground and trenches are dug to place the piping. Careful planning is needed to be done at this stage to assure proper fall of the pipes from the home towards its exit point. The piping that is underground is then protected so no debris goes inside, and the concrete slab can be poured. In homes with a basement that has plumbing fixtures, such as sinks and toilets, some digging may need to be performed for the installation of wastewater piping for those fixtures. Additionally, in this case, the waste lines include installing a pump that can push waste inside the pipes up, lifting it towards the exit point of the home. Sometimes the pump is part of the toilet, and sometimes it is a standalone piece of equipment. Because the pump works on electricity, regular maintenance needs to be done to make sure no issues with waste overflow on floors below grade. For homes that have a crawl space or basement without plumbing fixtures, trenches are only dug for the connection of the exit point of the home to the main sewer line. Installation of waste piping for these cases and for finalizing piping for homes on a slab happens after all framing is complete and the house is enclosed. Waste piping is installed usually below floors, sometimes hanging from the structure using metal or plastic hangers. Waste piping is only enclosed inside walls when necessary, for example to access the waste for a sink, but as soon as it is below the floor area, it moves outside of the walls. This is essential for piping that goes below grade, given that many walls are installed over foundation walls, which are usually made of concrete block or poured concrete. Waste piping is completed when the installation from the exit point of each fixture is in place and connection to the main line is finalized. Sometimes fixture installation is not immediately done, so it is necessary to protect the piping so no debris goes inside during construction, causing a clogged pipe. It is also important to note that, because wastewater works on gravity, connections are typically not done using 90-degree piping elbows, but rather 45-degree piping elbows or long sweep elbow. This is because any changing in direction are potential clogging points. In areas where there is potential for clogging, cleanouts are installed. Wastewater piping is usually inspected alongside all other piping work on site. Wastewater piping is usually made of rigid components that can be cut and joined together using bell end pipe or pipe fittings, such as elbows and couplers. Sometimes the cutting and assembling of portions of the pipe system can be made away from the site and brought in. Other times, the cutting and assembling is done on site. Therefore, it is important to know which method will be used on the job site to account for the necessary space of these operations.